In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ElevenLabs Whisper in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a content creator looking for that perfect whisper effect, or just someone exploring the fascinating world of AI-driven text-to-speech technology, this guide is for you. Now, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser. It doesn't really matter which one you prefer, be it Chrome, Firefox, or any other. Just ensure it's up to date for the smoothest experience. Once your browser is open, you need to sign into the platform. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. Alternatively, if your organization offers single sign-on, it's an efficient way to access your account without fumbling around for your credentials. After you've successfully signed in, navigate to the text-to-speech section of ElevenLabs. This is where the magic happens. Ensure you've selected the 11v3 model. This model is crucial as it's the latest version that supports the advanced features we'll be using, including whispering. Next, direct your attention to the right sidebar of the interface. You'll see a section labeled Voice. Click on the name displayed just below this heading to open up voice options. If you have a particular voice you'd like to use, simply type it into the search bar. This can help narrow down your choices, ensuring you find the perfect voice for your project. With the voice selected, let's move on to adding whispering into your text. In the section where you enter the text to be converted into speech, include the word whisper inside square brackets. For example, if your text reads "Hello World" and you want the word "world" to be whispered, you'd enter it as "Hello Whisper World." This simple addition transforms the way the text is vocalized, giving you that sought-after whisper effect. Once you have your text ready, click on Generate Speech. This will process your input and provide an audio file that you can listen to. Take this opportunity to carefully review the audio. Check if the whispering sounds just as you imagined and make sure the overall quality meets your expectations. Finally, when you're satisfied with the result, you have a couple of options at your disposal. You can either download the audio file for your personal use or share it directly with others. Sharing can be particularly useful if you're collaborating on a project or want to get feedback from peers. And there you have it, a complete guide to making ElevenLabs Whisper in just a few minutes. Experiment with different texts and voices to really explore the full potential of this tool. Happy creating!